Welcome, everybody, and thank you for watching our group presentation. Want to introduce you to WasteNot, which is a valuable application that addresses the important issue of food waste by providing users with practical solutions for using their leftover ingredients. And so it's a user-friendly tool that is aimed at promoting sustainable cooking practices. And so this is our landing page, which is supposed to just demonstrate how you are wasting both money and food with food waste. And so if we enter our website, before you are a user, you do have access to a few of the pages. So this is our initial page, and as well as you can see our about page, which has a brief video explaining the life cycle of strawberries in the home, as well as some informational facts about food waste in America. And then our contact page is just an introduction with facts and contact information for the developers on this project. And I will hand it off over to Michael to discuss the rest of the project.
Thanks, Jesse. So our project utilizes a couple frameworks. We have React for our front end, and we use Django for our back end. And we also utilize a couple APIs to get information, such as our Spoonacular API for getting recipes. And we also use the OpenAI endpoint as well to get recipes. And essentially, we can store a couple different things on our back end. As a user, you're able to add your pantry items, and we store all that information in the back end, as well as recipes that you end up saving. And all of that is fully create, read, update, delete capable in our back end as well. And I will pass it off to Pete to talk about our login and registering.
All right, so users of our application have the ability to create an account and sign up. So they would go to this page here, enter their information, and click sign up. If you already have an account, you have the ability to log in. So we're going to demonstrate now. You'll enter your email, password, and click login. And now, as a user who's logged in, you have a profile page. So if you go to the top right and click your avatar and click profile, that'll bring you to your profile page. So here you have the ability to change your information. So you can change your name and your email, and you can also change your avatar, as is being demonstrated right now. If you click save changes, it'll populate. All right, and then from here, you also have the ability to click forgot password. If you forgot it, you would enter your email and receive an email with a link to reset your password. All right, so from here, if you want to return back to the homepage, you'd simply click cancel. And when you're logged in or create an account, secure cookies are developed and stored so that we can authenticate users throughout the process while they're using the application. I'm going to hand it over now to Ivan to discuss some of the capabilities you have as a user on our application.
So as Mike and Peter mentioned, the registered users have the added functionality to add all of their pantry to this application, so that the program considers the entire inventory of their pantry for to develop recipes. So the recipes, the pantry items are stored inside of the database on every log out, log in. The application remembers the items for the next recipe selection. And now Jesse will talk about the input page and the recipes.
Thank you, Ivan. So what we're looking at right now is we're looking at our ingredients page, and that is going to be the start of our searches for recipes. It's going to start with the items that are currently in our pantry, but we can delete those items if we don't wish to use them right now. And we can add items that aren't in our pantry. So you can see this is completed text. We can type in our ingredients. We can add in a couple different items here. And then we can do our searches. One of the searches that we can do a get recipe search, and that's going to search our Spoonacular API, and it's going to return a list of 20 different recipes with the items that we put in. And here is Josh to talk about the carousel.
Yep, thank you, Jesse. This is the carousel we made. It is fully swipeable using a swiper with React. It's swipeable on mobile and also has navigation arrows on the side. And then we also have the strict search function, so I'm going to hand that over to Kelvin.
Yeah, so for strict search, I wanted a little bit of a little bit more functionality for our program, because right now with Spoonacular, I can query the backend with these ingredients and it'll give me a list of recipes I can make that include these ingredients, but not necessarily if I only have these ingredients. For example, if I only have these four, I want to see what I can make with them. I can click strict search. I'll click get recipes and it makes a request to the backend. This one actually takes a while because it's making a request to OpenAI. I'm basically taking the names of the ingredients and I'm requesting a very specific schema back from OpenAI database. So these are the strict recipes. Ingredients only include the ingredients that you have. These little images are populated using Google Search API. Basically just makes a query to Google Images with this title, grilled chicken breast, and it grabs the first image. So if we go back to our recipes page, we have this carousel that we can add items that we like to know more about or we want to save, and click favorite, and it should save that. So next we'll talk about favorites, and that'll be up to Jesse.
Thanks, Kelvin. So our favorites page is essentially being able to show users the recipes that they want to refer back to at a later time, or maybe just view more information about. And so on this page, if they just wanted a quick view of the recipe and its information, they can click the little drop down, as well as if they click the image itself, it will open them up to the full recipe page where they can see the servings, some nutritional information, as well as a summary and related recipes as well. And we have also incorporated a little chat bot. So if we open the open chat, it will open a WasteNot chat bot that users can talk to get more information about substitutions, nutrition, or conversions. So if we ran out of butter and we wanted a little substitution, we could type that in and get a few options, as well as finding some nutritional information out there. And so we're hoping this gives users more of a one-stop shop if they are making dinner and needing to change something out quickly. And then lastly, of course, we do allow users to log out. So the page is still going to be accessible for them if they want to just grab ingredients without being signed in. Thank you.